Good morning, dear student. This is Mandeep Sani, and today I'm here with a new AB assignment. In this assignment, we will cover a leftover syllabus for unit paper. Moreover, this assignment will really help you a lot to cover your syllabus and to obtain very good marks in your papers. Instructions are again same. That are, please don't write this work on your fair notebook, but if you want to go with the practice, then please take your rough notebook, take your separate practice notebook for revision. But please don't write this work on a fair notebook. Understood? Let's start. Preparatory assignment of first terminal examination, assignment number 3, class 2nd, lesson number 3, the elephant and its friends. First topic is who said these words. Now it's very quite easy topic, and we have already discussed this assignment in the last month. So let's start. First is will you be my friend? Now it's very quite easy. Dear student, tell me the right answer. I know you know the right answer. The answer is an elephant. You know very well when an elephant visited to the different animal and he asked, will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? Because he wanted to create friendship with the different animals, so that's why he visited to them and asked them, will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? The answer is an elephant, because an elephant said these words. Second number is you cannot swing from trees like me. Answer is monkey, because when an elephant visited to the monkey and he asked the question, will you be my friend? And then the monkey answered, how could be friends? Because you cannot jump from one tree to other tree like me. You cannot swing from trees like me. And then how could be friends? So the answer is monkey, because monkey said these words. Third number is you are too big to leap about like me. The meaning of the leap is jump higher and higher. Right? When an elephant visited to the frog and he asked, will you be my friends? And then frog answered, you are Mr. Elephant, you are too big and how could be friends? Even you can't jump higher like me. So I'm sorry, Mr. Elephant, we can't be friends. So frog is the right answer. Fourth number is sorry sir, but you are too big. And when he visited to the fox and fox answered, sorry sir, you are too big and we can't be friends. Fifth number is mind your own business. Mind your own business. It's very easy question, dear student. The answer is tiger. When an elephant asks the tiger, Mr. Tiger, please don't scare these poor animals. Please don't do this. And then the tiger answered very angrily, mind your own business, Mr. Elephant. So the answer is tiger. Again, now we will move towards our word meaning. Word meaning. First is burrow. Burrow means a hole where rabbit lives. A hole where rabbit lives. That's called burrow. Second number is wandered. Wandered means thought. Wandered means thought. Because wandered is in the second form, so we will use the second form of think here. That is thought, right? Wandered, thought. Third number is upset. Upset means unhappy. It's very common word. We are using in a daily life, right? Third number is upset, unhappy. Upset, unhappy. Fourth number is begging. Begging means asking. Begging means asking, right? Again, we will discuss our word meaning. Burrow means a hole where rabbit lives. A hole where rabbit lives. Second number is wandered. Wandered means thought. Third number is upset. Upset means unhappy. Fourth number is begging. Begging means asking, right? Now we have our question answers. First is, what did the elephant want? What did the elephant want? Now the question is in the past form, so I will use the second form of the want here, that is wanted. What did the elephant want? He wanted to make some friends. He wanted to make some friends. Second number is who was breathing heavily. Who was breathing heavily? The meaning of the breathing heavily is like this. When an elephant asked the animals, why are you wandering here and there? What happened? Then a bear was breathing heavily and said, a tiger has been entered our forest and he is trying to terrify all the forest animals. So that's why all the animals were wandering here and there. Who was breathing heavily? A bear was breathing heavily. A bear was breathing heavily. Third number is, why did the animals thank the elephant? Why did the animals thank the elephant? They thanked the elephant because he scared the tiger. They thanked the elephant because he scared the proudy tiger, right? They thanked the elephant. They thanked the elephant because he scared the tiger. Fourth number is, what did the elephant want the tiger to stop doing? What did the elephant want the tiger to stop doing? The elephant wanted the tiger. The question is in the past form, so I will use the second form of the want, that is wanted, right? The elephant wanted the tiger to stop terrifying the poor animals. The elephant wanted the tiger to stop terrifying the poor animals, right? Now we will move towards our grammar portion. Only one topic is left from our grammar book, that is lesson number 5. Write the plural form of given nouns. In this topic we will change singular word to plural words, right? We will change singular to plural, like tree, trees, key, keys. We will simply put s at last. Tree, trees, key, keys, toy, toys, bat, bats, ball, balls, day, days, table, tables, chalk, chalks. 9 number is brush, brushes, bench, benches, match, matches, catch, catches. The words that ends with the H, you can simply put es at the last of the word, right? Now we will put es at the end of the word, right? We will write brush as it is and we will put es at the end of the word. Brush, brushes, bench, we will write bench as it is and es at the end of the word. ठीक है? Right? Bench, benches, match, again we will write match as it is, match, and es at the end of the word. Catch, we will write catch as it is and es at the end of the word. Understood my point? 13 number is fox, fox, foxes, bus, buses, patch, patches, glass, glasses, right? 17 number is puppy, puppies. Now we will replace y with the ies, right? We will replace y with the ies. We will just put ies at the end of the word here. When we change singular to plural, the words that ends with the y, we will replace y with the ies. We will replace y with the ies, right? Puppy, puppies. Now y is the end of at the end of the word we will replace y with the IES. PUPP, we will write again PUPP. Y is at the end and we will replace Y with the IES. IES. Puppy, puppies. Baby, baby. Now we will replace Y with the IES. Babies, baby, babies. 90 number is pony. Now again Y is here, so we will replace Y with the IES, right? Pony, ponies. 20th number is diary. Now Y is again here and we will replace Y with the IES. Diary, diaries. DIDIAAR. Now we will replace Y with the IES. It's so simple. The words that ends with the alphabet by, you can simply replace Y with the IES. Diary, diaries. Again 21 is leave, leaves. LEAVES words, leaves. Wife, wives. Life, lives. Calf, calves. CLVES, calves. 25th is foot, feet. Tooth, teeth. House, houses. Ox, oxen. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. Loaf, loaves. LOAVES words, loaves. Self, selves. SHEL, shelf, VES words, shelves. Write the singular form of the words. In the previous topic, we have changed singular to plural, and in this topic, we will change plural to singular word. We will change a lots of things to one thing, right? We will change plural to singular word. Mice, mouse. Mice means lots of mouse, lots of rats. And mouse means only one rat, one mouse. Boxes, lots of boxes, and we will change it into singular, box. Teeth, tooth. Benches, bench. Catches, catch. Flies, we will change flies, lots of flies, and when we will change plural to singular, then it will be fly. Flies, fly. Children, child. Thieves, thief. Monkeys, monkey. Babies, baby. Right? That's all about our third assignment. I hope you have understood our third assignment very carefully. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.